Boys and girls, moms and dads, yes, I did do it. I have the genuine parts from Kawasaki. I paid 85 bucks for this 12-volt outlet. Yes, I did. $84. It's called bragging rights. Look up the definition. I have the entitlement of bragging rights. This is the original part from Kawasaki. All this can be yours for just over $100. No sense in buying a $20 outlet. They're third party. Who wants that junk on their bike? This is the original deal right here. Kawasaki. Heavy, solid. No soldering ends. No crimping on ends. It's all put together, man. It's there. It's set. It's ready for you. And it comes with a complete installation manual. What more could you ask for? $85? $25. You're set, man. There it is. Get it. Don't listen to the people trying to save money. Go and get the original product. That gives you the bragging rights that you have the original product. All right. See you later.